Hi and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 things artificial intelligence believes could happen in the future. From advancements in technology to the colonization of other planets, these are the developments that AI claims could shape the world of tomorrow. At number 1, we have the continued advancement of technology. This could include the development of new materials, the creation of new devices and appliances, and the improvement of existing technologies. For example, we could see the development of stronger, lighter, and more durable materials that could be used in the construction of buildings or the manufacturing of consumer goods. We could also see the creation of new wearable technologies or smart home systems that allow us to automate and control various aspects of our lives. At number 2, we have an increase in the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events due to climate change. As the Earth's temperature continues to rise due to the burning of fossil fuels and other human activities, we could see an increase in the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. This could include more frequent and severe hurricanes, heat waves, and droughts, as well as more frequent and intense flooding. These events can have serious consequences, including loss of life, damage to infrastructure, and disruption of daily life. At number 3, we have an increase in the adoption of renewable energy sources and a decrease in the use of fossil fuels. As concern about the environmental impacts of fossil fuels continues to grow, it is likely that more and more countries will turn to renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, to meet their energy needs. This could involve the construction of new renewable energy facilities, as well as the implementation of policies and incentives to encourage the use of renewable energy. At number 4, we have the discovery of new species and the potential for the revival of extinct species through techniques such as de-extinction. With advances in genetics and biotechnology, it is possible that scientists could discover new species that have previously gone undiscovered, either on land or in the oceans. In addition, it is possible that scientists could bring back species that have been extinct for hundreds or thousands of years through techniques such as de-extinction. While the ethical and practical implications of de-extinction are still being debated, it is an exciting possibility that could potentially help to restore lost biodiversity. At number 5, we have the development of new medical technologies and treatments that allow us to live longer and healthier lives. With advances in medical research, it is likely that we will see the development of new treatments and therapies for a wide range of diseases and conditions. This could include the development of new drugs, the use of gene editing to treat genetic disorders, and the use of stem cells to repair damaged tissue. It could also include the development of new medical technologies, such as wearable devices that can monitor our health and alert us to potential problems. At number 6, we have the colonization and exploration of other planets and celestial bodies. With the continued advancement of space technology, it is possible that humans will establish colonies on other planets or celestial bodies, such as Mars or the Moon. This could involve the development of new spacecraft and habitats that can sustain human life, as well as the development of systems for producing food, water, and other essential resources. The colonization of other planets could also provide opportunities for scientific research and the study of other worlds. At number 7, we have the creation of new forms of entertainment, such as virtual reality experiences or holographic performances. As technology continues to advance, it is likely that we will see the development of new forms of entertainment that immerse us in virtual worlds or allow us to experience events in a more realistic way. Virtual reality experiences could allow us to travel to distant lands or participate in activities that might otherwise be impossible, while holographic performances could bring concerts, sporting events, and other live performances to a wider audience. At number 8, we have the expansion of artificial intelligence and its potential integration into various industries and aspects of our daily lives. As AI technology continues to improve, it is likely that we will see it being used in a wider range of fields, from healthcare to transportation to education. AI could be used to analyze large amounts of data, make predictions, or assist with decision-making, potentially increasing efficiency and productivity. It could also be used to improve customer service or to personalize experiences, such as through the use of personalized recommendations or targeted advertisements. At number 9, we have the development of new modes of transportation, such as flying cars or high-speed trains. As we continue to look for ways to reduce congestion and improve efficiency, it is likely that we will see the development of new transportation technologies that allow us to travel more quickly and efficiently. This could include the development of flying cars, which could potentially reduce the need for roads and make it easier to travel over long distances or to bypass traffic. It could also include the development of high-speed trains, which could provide an alternative to air travel for shorter distances and reduce the need for cars or planes. And finally, at number 10, we have the emergence of new geopolitical powers and shifts in the balance of global politics. As economic and political dynamics change, it is possible that we will see the rise of new global powers and a shift in the balance of power between different countries and regions. This could involve the emergence of new economic powers, such as the rise of countries in Africa or Asia, or the emergence of new technological powers, such as the increasing influence of companies in the tech industry. It could also involve shifts in political alliances and the emergence of new global threats or challenges that require international cooperation to address. So there you have it, 10 things that artificial intelligence believes could happen in the future. From advancements in technology to the colonization of other planets, these are the developments that could shape the world of tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more interesting content.